Stop guessing what elegy means and start knowing. An elegy is a poem or song expressing sorrow, typically for someone who's died. Think of it as a heartfelt reflection. The GRE loves throwing curveballs with words like this. Example 1. The poet wrote an elegy to honor his late friend. See the sorrow and respect? Example 2. She performed a moving elegy at the memorial service. It's all about conveying deep emotions. Example 3. Studying for the GRE feels like an elegy to my social life. Just kidding. But you get the point. Knowing words like elegy isn't just about acing the test. It's about enriching your vocabulary and understanding nuanced emotions. So next time you hear elegy, remember it's more than just a word. It's a powerful expression of grief and tribute. Stay sharp, stay curious, and keep building that GRE vocab arsenal. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more GRE tips.